Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our syllabus and important topics for our course Sustainable Happiness. The official syllabus of our course Sustainable Happiness is Week First, Unit First, Sustainable Happiness, Week Second, Unit Second, Pedagogy of Sustainable Happiness, Week Third, Unit Third, Sustainable Happiness at Work, Week Fourth, Sustainable Organizations, Week 5th, Sustainable Leaderships, Week 6th, Positive Psychology and Sustainable Happiness, Week 7th, Sustainable Well-being, and Week 8, Unit 8, Sustainable Happiness and UNESCO SDGs. So these are the official syllabus of our course Sustainable Happiness. So now let's discuss our analysis of the syllabus in comparison with the weekly assignment. So we discuss week by week. So let's discuss our week first. So week first, sustainable sense of self and well-being. So many questions directly cover sustainable happiness definition, self-sufficiency, collective well-being, and then Catherino brain sustainable happiness theory. Then hedonic versus authentic eudaimonic happiness, and last is UN SDGs adoption 2015. So the important topics of our week first: sustainable sense of self and well-being, sustainable well-beings, collective well-beings, type of happiness, SDGs connections. So these are the topics is important in week first. Now let's discuss our week second. So week second is pedagogy of sustainable happiness. So question focus on Rio Earth Summit 1992 and Agenda 21 chapter 36, and then positive education and happiness curriculum. And the third is contemplative learning, then gross national happiness, Bhutan model, and happiness visioning domains. So these are the topics, and the important topics of our week second is education for sustainable happiness, positive education, contemplative learning, gross national happiness. And now let's discuss our week third. So week third is sustainable happiness at work. So assignment highlights. So in week third, happy employment equal to productivity. Work culture, values, beliefs, attitude, role of HR in positive organizations, diversity, inclusion, work-life balance, wellness, emotional intelligence, and system thinking competence. So these are the topics of our assignment week third. And now the important topics of our week third is HR well-beings, work culture, emotional intelligence, pro-social behavior, resilient organizations. So these are the important topics. And now let's discuss about our week fourth. So week fourth, sustainable organizations. So question strongly linked to triple bottom line approach, CSR and ESG concepts, sustainable technology, green tech, DEI, diversity, equity, inclusion initiatives, and resilient organization. So these are the topics of our week for sustainable organizations. And let's discuss about our important topic. So important topic of week fourth is CSR, ESG, triple bottom line, diversity and inclusion, resilient sustainable organizations. And now let's discuss about our week fifth. So week fifth, sustainable leadership. It covers in assignments sustainable leadership competencies in like integrity, transparency, systems thinking. And next is induction and mentoring and stress in workplace. And then minimalism in consumption, and then steward leadership. So these are the topic of our week fifth. And let's discuss about important topics of our week fifth. So important topic is sustainable leadership competencies, system thinkings, stress and well-being, and then minimalism, steward leadership. So these are the most important topic in our week fifth. Now let's discuss about our week six. So week six, positive psychology and sustainable happiness. So it focus. So week six focus areas in assignments are character strengths like hope, gratitude, just, and then Seligman's three aspects of happiness: pleasure, commitment, meaning, and then virtues like love, humor, humanity, transcendence, and then flow and creativity. And next is divergent thinking in innovation. And the most important topics of our week 6 is character strengths, virtues as positive traits, flow, creativity, divergent thinking. So these are the important topics. And now let's discuss about our week 7. So week 7 is sustainable well-being. So assignment asked about hedonic treadmill. You have to learn about hedonic treadmill. What is hedonic treadmill? Caesar's HDLB approach, capitalism and satisfaction, subjective well-beings, brain drain, blue economy challenges, triple nutrition burden. So these are the topic of our week 7 sustainable well-being. And now let's discuss about our week 7 important topic. So important topics are hedonic treadmill, HDLB model, subjective well-being, sustainable challenge like blue economy and brain drain, and triple bottom line. So these are the most important topic of our week 7. So now let's discuss about our week 8. So week 8, sustainable happiness and UNESCO SDGs. So question linked to ESD, Education for Sustainable Development, Target 4.7, and then GCED, Global Citizenship Education, then Priority Action Areas of ESD, Labuschagne, fourth dimension institutional, and last is Green Education Partnership 2022 UN Summit. And important topics of our week 8 is ESD, GCED, SDGs, Target 4.7, ESG, and Value Creation, Greening Education Partnership. And now let's discuss our overall most important topic across all weeks. So we conclude all weeks and find out the most important topics. So, the most important topic first is sustainable happiness and well being concepts. So, in this, you have to study about hedonic versus eudaimonic collective well being, Catherine's O'Barron's theory. So, these are the topics you have to study in sustainable happiness and well being concept. And second is education for sustainable happiness like positive education, GNH, contemplative learning, ESD, GCED. And then third is workplace happiness and organizations like HR well-being, diversity and inclusion, CSR, ESG, resilient organizations. So these are the topics you have to learn and study about workplace happiness and organizations. And in fourth, sustainable leadership, competencies, integrity, system thinking, steward leadership, and stress management. And in fifth, positive psychology, like character strength, virtues, flow, creativity. And next is sustainable well-being challenges like hedonic treadmill, capitalism, brain drain, blue economy, nutrition crisis. And the last is UNESCO SDGs and ESD, Target 4.7, ESG, Greening Education Partnership. So thank you friends for watching our syllabus and important topic for sustainable happiness. We will meet in next video of our mock test for sustainable happiness. So thank you friends for watching our video.